Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can add a custom instruction to Grok AI. Basically, this custom instruction will be added on top of your prompt. So every time Grok is processing your request or processing your prompt, it will follow the instruction that you have provided. It is very useful to make AI to answer the way that you want AI to answer your question or request. So in order to add a custom instruction to Grok AI, you have to be on the grok.com website. Right now, the Grok AI on X or Twitter doesn't have any feature for custom instruction, and therefore you have to use the official grok.com website. Now after that, you can sign in using your email or maybe your X account, and then click your profile picture right here on the top right corner of the screen. Go to settings and then click customize. Here there are a few presets like concise, formal, and then Socratic. There is also custom, which is the one I'm going to use. Here you can detail the instruction that Grok must follow. In this case, I will try to use this custom prompt or custom instruction that I have actually used on my previous video about how to make AI to not always agreeable on my assumption. So I'm going to copy this, and then let me just go back and then paste the instruction right here and click save. So the next time I'm sending a message to Grok, it will follow this instruction. Let me give you a demonstration. Here I ask Grok that I think my YouTube channel or my YouTube videos don't bring enough client because I put the call to action message at the end of the video instead of the beginning where people are still watching. So that's my assumption, and Grok is basically affirming it, even though it could be wrong, it could be caused by other reasons, but AI in general is still very affirming. It's going to agree with you every single time. So I'm going to try to ask the question again. I'm going to create a new chat window, and you'll see that the answer would be a bit different because the instruction basically just always asks AI to challenge my assumption. And there you go. So this is the new answer from Grok. Your hypothesis is that placing the call to action at the end of videos reduces content conversion because viewer retention drops off before they reach it. So it will analyze my assumption with a lot of paragraphs, a lot of reasons, and yeah, I think it's going to be much more useful than someone that's just always agreeable to whatever I say. So that's the power of custom instructions. Go to grok.com and then try to change or add a custom instruction to make sure the AI is always following your guide. So if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel. I will try to make more AI videos in the future, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.